To add BSSID mapping, navigate to the Network Discovery page and select the BSSID tab. The table displays the mapping address, location, geodetic coordinates, and description. Click Add BSSID Mapping and enter the following fields as required: BSSID, Building, Location, Description. Note: if the building or location you want to select does not appear in the drop-down, you will need to add it as a new building or location entry. If your organization is configured with a location-only location hierarchy type, you'll be able to add a location on the fly from the Add BSSID Mapping dialog box. This option will appear as a tab labeled Add Location. This option will not display if the organization is configured with a building and location hierarchy type. There are 3 requirements for the BSSID mappings to be successfully implemented. The customer must know the location of a wireless access point. The endpoint must pass the BSSID to the held service. Any soft phone using the My E911 client meets this requirement. BSSID mappings must be properly configured in Horizon Mobility. This method is beneficial for customers who want to track the location of Wi-Fi endpoints. By default, the last digit of the BSSID will be masked. Most vendors use this last digit to represent a different network name rather than a unique hardware device. There are some vendors that do not follow this same logic. The masking behavior can be turned off via the BSSID import form. To disable masking for a specific BSSID, set the masking value to false on the import file. To edit BSSID mapping, select Edit from the Mapping Entries action menu. Make changes to the following fields as needed and click the Save button. If deleting the mapping, select Delete from the Entries action menu and confirm the action.